Number 5. Haier HC17 SF15RB. Half-width freezer compartment with ice cube tray. Full-width slide-out wire shelf. Manual defrost with adjustable thermostat. Space-saving flat-back design. 2-liter bottle storage. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Igloo FR326M. 3.2 cubic foot fridge and freezer. The front door is a dry erase board. Adjustable thermostat. Slide out glass shelves and ice cube tray. Door basket for 2-liter bottles. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Midea WHS65LB1. Mechanical temperature adjustment ranges from -2 to 2 degrees Celsius. Large storage areas excellent at chilling beverages and healthy snacks. Features adjustable legs and a reversible door. Frozen food section, 3,250. Full 1-year warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Magic Chef MCBR 240S1. 2.4 cubic feet capacity. Stainless steel look/black cabinet/wire shelves. Manual defrost/freezer compartment. Adjustable temperature thermostat control. Reversible door flush back. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Danby Designer. 4.4 cubic feet, 126L, capacity compact fridge. Full width freezer. 8-can door storage. Tall bottle storage. 2.5 glass shelves. Please check the description for details and best price.